Evening and welcome to the next mower video. In this mower we're going to be fitting the handle, for the kill switch, or dead man's handle as some people call it, and we'll be giving it a service. So the part turned up that I bought on eBay. So we'll just open this up. Don't want to reveal any personal details. Still trying not to reveal any personal details. I know the address is the Argos in the local Sainsbury's. It's got my name on, but and here's the part, the handle. So there we go, got a replacement handle. So we'll get that fitted on the mower. So swapping this out is quite simple. Just need a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm socket, 8mm ratchet. So just undo the nut. Take the screw out and just put these to one side and pull it out and just unhook the cable. It's really as simple as that. As you can see, it's a bit janky. It'll work, but I want it to be absolutely 100%. Got a replacement handle. I'm going to have to undo this. It's same, yep. Phillips screw and an 8mm nut. So again, hook it on. Might have to rejig this. Yep. Just move that a little bit. Put that through. Just make sure that's working. Yep, that's working. Yep, that's fine. It's just a matter of tightening it up. So make sure it's still operating. A bit too tight. So just yep, spot on. There we go, that's a lot better. So I'm going to give this a service as well. I'll just change the oil. I might change the spark plug, I'm not sure. I'm definitely going to replace the air filter because they're only a few quid on eBay, so I've got one ordered. So once I've got the oil in the air filter, we'll be back and we'll get that changed. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the air filter. I bought a new one on eBay. Just over £2. And then that's our new filter. We'll just pull the old one off. Just a couple of tabs, tab on each side. Push the tabs in and off it comes. And this one, you can see it's way past it. There's no way that was going to be reusable. I just stuff this envelope. I just open this up. There's our new filter next to the old one. About the right size, there we go. Bit bigger, just stuff that in. Fit that back on. And that's the air filter changed. So next thing I'm going to do is change the engine oil. I'll just undo the plug now. The reason I've got it here, so it should make it easier when I tip the mower over. It should be alright with the petrol. So just tip it over. Making it a bit of a mess. Never mind. Didn't go too well, but get that cleaned up. Then we'll put some oil in. So before I put the fresh oil in, yes I did clean it up. I'm going to need to take the recoil cover off, so 8mm bolt for the petrol tank, and the 4 tins for the recoil cover. Two at the front. Then 2 at the back. And then I think I'll just take it off with the exhaust guard in place. Just saves me having to get a screwdriver. No, I'm going to have to get a screwdriver. So if I leave the screw in place, it should just be able to lift this cover off. Now I can get to the oil filler. There's my funnel, and I just got some 15W40 oil from Asda. So we'll just add the oil. Gently add the oil. Just keep adding it. I've got the just got the pump funnel sticking out. just above the oil filler. Just gradually add the oil. I think we're about up to level now. So just move it about. Just tip it back and forth, just make sure we're getting the air bubbles out. Yep, we're good. So put the filler plug back on. I'm not going to bother with the spark plug because I just clean that up. Screw that in. Careful not to cross it, it's only plastic. And that's the service done once I've buttoned all this back up. So I've given it a clean up. I use that bumper trim gel that I use on BMW, and it's lovely, it's a plastic deck. So I did actually run it a bit earlier on, so it should just pull over on the button. There we go. So all ready for the new owner, so I'm going to wrap it up for this particular video. So that's it for this video, and for this particular lawnmower. I've got a buyer for it, and he's going to pay me what it owes me, a family member. He's wanted a petrol motor, and this will suit him quite nicely. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if I get another mower, there'll be some more mower videos. So anyway, please remember to share, subscribe, like. I know I did it in a different order. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.